Hello darlings, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in the charming town of Calasparra. This beautiful, authentic Spanish town is in the region of Murcia. And here I am right in the centre in what feels like a sleepy, peaceful step back in time. But don't be deceived, whilst it is a peaceful town, it is rich in history. It has historical caves to explore. It's also renowned for its rice, agricultural history, and is overlooking the Segura River, meaning that the valleys and agricultural fields surrounding this particular town are extremely fertile and very beautiful. The new build properties that I'll be showing you today are villas. They are independent and detached. They are on a plot of 1,000 square meters and the property itself is 136 square meters. They offer 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and they distribute on 1 floor. So let's begin the tour. Hello. So as I come in through the main entrance on street level, I'm coming into the grounds of the property. It is on a plot of 1,000 square meters and it gives the family lots of outdoor space to enjoy the warmer climate. So here you would have your outdoor terraces, perfect for sun lounging or dining or outdoor lounging. It overlooks the swimming pool, which is a rectangular swimming pool, and this swimming pool is 10 by 5 meters. It does have steps on one side and it gradually slopes down to give you a deeper end. There is a continuation as well here. On one side you have your outdoor shower and the extensive garden space that surrounds this side of your home. This you could have as a fruit tree garden, you could also have it as more relaxation spaces, you could have it lawned and landscaped to your liking. And then as we come to the rear of the property, you can also see that the gardens continue to surround it. At this side you can see it's minimal maintenance at the moment, but again you have plenty of space to adapt it and personalise it to your taste. It is a simple architectural design. As we perimeter the home itself, you'll see that. And here I'm overlooking the parking space. So the vehicle would enter through those electric gates, drive onto the parking space very comfortably. And it overlooks even this artificial lawned grassed area, which is again perfect for relaxing. Hello. So I come into the villa and this is a villa that is 135 square meters and is distributed on 1 floor. So this is a spacious entry hall. To my left you have your intercom system and your alarm system, and also to my right you have lots of space here if you would like to hang your personal items. I do like the light and brightness that this entryway gives you, and it gives you easy access to the living interior spaces of the home. I am stood in an open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. This space is 35 square meters and the ceiling height is 2.8 meters. As you can see, this is the living room space, which is lovely. You have a very large sofa here, and you also have your patio doors that slide open and give you easy access to the terraces and the swimming pool. Next to it, you also then have your dining space. And this dining space is currently set to dine 6, but you could actually even get away with a larger table should you want it. And then next to it, you have your open plan kitchen. This would be the central island in which you would have a breakfast bar on one side for dining for 2. You also have your cooking hob here, which is class seen in the middle of the central island. And then on this side, you have some more storage cabinets that are rather deep and wide. Over to the other side, you have an extension of your kitchen with your counter space, your storage cabinets above and below. I do like the colour choice they've gone for here. On this side, you have your double fridge, as you can see. And then you also have your sink. Next to the sink, there is the dishwasher, and the appliances are Belay. And then you also have your oven and your microwave on this side. This cheeky door leads to the fully equipped laundry room. So what I like about the design of this home is it's light, it's bright, you have the uniform porcelain stone flooring, which is a light tone of grey throughout, and it really enables you to have great views of your gardens in every room. So as you come through this hallway area, I'm now going to take you along the hall, and we are going left to the first bedroom. This bedroom is a similar interior feel. You have on one side your large patio doors that lead to the terrace and swimming pool, and you also have your fitted wardrobes. Overlooking the first bedroom, you also have the guest bathroom, which is again fully equipped and decorated to be light and bright. As I take you along the hall some more, I'm now going to take you to the second bedroom. This bedroom, just like the first, is 10 square meters. It gives you, again, patio doors on one side, and then you also have a wall of fitted wardrobes in the other. Also adjoining that, what you'll find is this side of the house is where you'll find the bathroom. So this is another large bathroom that can be used by the second bedroom, which is again fully equipped. And then as I'm taking you now to the end of the hall, we are approaching the primary suite. I do love the fact that they have a slight change of palette with this room. The primary suite offers 20 square meters. You have very large patio doors on one side that allow you access to the terraces and the swimming pool. And then on this side, you have a doorway that leads to your walk-in closet, which is fully equipped and illuminated beautifully with LED lighting. And then you also have a little further away this doorway that leads to the fully equipped ensuite bathroom. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is approximately €500 per year, and the community fee is also approximately €500 per year. The refuse is €150 per year. This is obviously a new build property. It is a project of 6 detached villas, and they will be ready, key ready, by September 2025. If you do like to live in a very peaceful setting, close to agricultural fields, a place that is rich in history, but also a very well-established Spanish town, then this will be your suit. It is actually quite a beautiful location of Murcia, and as we were approaching here, we noticed that it was extremely green and lush with its valleys and its agricultural fields as far as the eye could see. What's really nice about these properties, though, is that they give you modern comfort and also plenty of living space. If you like to have everything on one level, it's great as well because it's single story. Naturally, the specifications of the home for comfort do include LED lighting, electric shutters, double glazed windows, electric gates, and, well, all of the other nuts and bolts. If you would like to see more information and you do like this listing, then please do go to our website, which is spainhomes.estate, and also don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name is Nikima, and we'll see you next time. Hasta pronto!